Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Grade 7 exercise of unit 6. First multiple choice questions. Note these options. Then question number 2, true false. Third question, make a list of some examples of change in everyday life, physical or chemical. Fourth question, 3 examples of chemical reactions are listed below. Answers are present on this page. This is a structural or experimental work, and some answer questions about this topic is here. Note these answer questions. And other experimental work, that soda limes absorbs carbon dioxide produced as a candle burns, and the answers of these questions are also present here. Note these answers and mark them. Also learn. Dear students, now chapter number 7, sound and hearing. Sound, just like light, is a form of energy and can travel from one place to another place, and the major organ part that is present in the human body and all the animals' ears that can detect energy, this sound. How sounds are made? Sounds are made when something vibrates. All the musical instruments have a part that vibrate. For example, guitar, clarinet, and the singer's vocal cords. Vocal cords are present inside the human body. Now page number 85. Some test yourself questions, and the answers are: page number 85, first question, how do humans and other animals detect energy? Sound. Ears of humans and animals can detect sound energy. Second question, how are sounds made? Sounds are made when something vibrates. Third question, name 2 musical instruments that have vibrating string. Guitar. That you blow it, clarinet. That you hit, drum. Explain how humans produce speech sounds. Speech sounds produced by the vocal cords. Next topic, how sound travels. To clear this concept, there is an experiment. When the drummer hits the drum sinks vibrate rapidly down. This drummer hits the drum, and the vibrating drum skins make air molecules vibrate forward and backward. Forward and backward. These molecules affect the molecules next to them, and sound spreads out. The molecules are squashed together. Now, within a split second, all the molecules will be vibrating. We hear the sound when the air inside our ears start vibrating. Is it true we cannot hear sound in the vacuum? Yes. Sound can only be moved here and there in the material to move through, for example, solid, liquid, and gas. As sounds can be heard from the loudspeaker very clearly, as the air is pumped out through the vacuum pump. When the air is allowed to leak back into the jar, the sound becomes louder, and when the air pumps out, the sound grows quieter. Now test yourself about this topic. Question number 1, describe how we hear sound when the drum is hit. The vibrating drum skin vibrates, makes more molecules vibrating backward and forward. These molecules affect the molecules next to them, and sound spreads out. Question number 2, what evidence is there that sounds travel through gas? People hearing others speak in evidence. Sound travel through gas. Liquid, people hearing sounds while submerged in a pool is evidence. Sound travels through a liquid. Solids, people hearing sound with their ear passed against a table is evidence. Sound travels through a solid. Explain why sound cannot travel in vacuum. People unable to hear sound in a vacuum is evidence. Sound requires a medium like solid, liquid, and gas to travel. Students, next topic, sound as a wave. When a cone of loudspeaker vibrates, it's move in and out very quickly, and stretching and squashing the air in front of it. Stretches and squashes spread through the air rather the ripples of the pond, and these are called sound waves. Model of sound waves. This diagram shows the model of sound waves when the loudspeaker squashes air in front of the air molecules are forced closer to each other, and this is called compression. Then when the loudspeaker stretches air, molecules are spread out. This is known as refraction. The series of compression and refraction is known as the wavelength. The waves on the spring and sounds are known as the longitudinal waves, and a sound wave is also an example of oscillation. For example, a mass of spring will oscillate up and down, and it is pulled down then released. Test yourself questions, and the answers are: question number 1, what are sound waves? Sound waves are longitudinal waves that travel through a medium like air or water. Is sound waves, what is the distance between compression called? Wavelength. Third question, what is a longitudinal wave? The wave on the spring and sound waves are called longitudinal waves. Fourth question, how are sound waves different from waves in the sea or the ripple on water? Because sound waves are compression waves because the air vibrates along the same direction as the wave.